station is Kentish Town. Change here for National Rail services. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This station is Kentish Town. Change here for National Rail services.
Good evening. Today is Saturday, 24th of June 2023. Today I'm doing a tour of Kentish Town Station before it closes on Monday until next year. One last look at the posters here at the station before it closes. What else can we deliver together, London? We're already delivering record numbers of new council homes, more police and better youth services, tough action on clean air and the climate crisis, building a fairer, greener and safer London for everyone. State of London debate Thursday 29th of June 7:30 to 9pm, hosted by James O'Brien. Nope. And this one's just intrusive staring of a sexual nature is sexual harassment and is not tolerated. This is on the platform for northbound Northern Line trains. Art on the Underground. There's already a train arriving into... It's going to High Barnet, the next one.
Northern Line, the train now approaching is to High Barnet. Please stand back from the platform edge.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 steps. The platform 1's for northbound trains, platform 2 is for southbound trains. Map of the Tube DLR Elizabeth Line London Overground National Rail. 11 steps here. This is platform 2 for southbound trains.
Because of the mechanical defect, there is no down escalator service. Please use the fixed staircase with care.
Eleven, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22 steps between the bottom of the escalator and the southbound platform. If you're wondering why the station's going to be closed until next year, this is why. Thameslink services will continue stopping at Kentish Town Station during the closure. But if you are interchanging between the Northern Line and Thameslink, you have to walk between Kentish Town and Tufnell Park stations, which takes approximately 10 minutes by street. Either that or go to King's Cross, St Pancras. Ticket hall. This is the outside of the station. And this is the entrance that will be used when the station is closed. So you've got two ticket machines there. Now these Oyster card readers are for if you started your journey with a National Rail ticket and would like to end your journey with Oyster or contactless pay as you go, or if you started your journey with Oyster or contactless pay as you go and you wish to continue your journey on the National Rail ticket. Now we are at the Thameslink platforms. Platform 4 isn't used frequently. Now we go on to platforms 2 and 3. (13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 steps. Over there is 700,060 with a service to Herne Hill. It's terminating at Herne Hill today because of planned engineering works in the Tulse Hill area. Platform 3 is used by some Thameslink trains which terminate here from places like Dartford, train now approaching platform 2 is the Thameslink service to St Albans City. Platform 2 is for northbound trains to St Albans City. If you wish to continue to Luton Airport or Bedford, change at West Hampstead Thameslink or St Albans City. (700,033). Now we are looking inside the waiting room here on platforms 2 and 3. It's great if you want some peace and quiet here. I mean, this information display board is not working, wasn't working when I came here this morning. The next train to arrive on platform 3 will be the 2256 Thameslink service from Dartford. This train will terminate here. Now we go on to platform 1. The announcers here at Kentish Town Thameslink are Anne and Matt. Anne announces southbound trains on platform 1, while Matt announces northbound trains on platform 2. Platform 1's for southbound trains towards St Pancras and Sutton. If you are travelling to Rainham, Kent, Gatwick Airport, Brighton or Horsham, change at St Pancras, Farringdon, City Thameslink or Blackfriars. "35 steps. This here is a training academy." How's East Midlands Railway Class 222 Meridian set? Still haven't done that. Still haven't done any EMR Meridian journeys. Only EMR journey I did was on a Class 360 between St Pancras International and Corby back in September last year. Normally from Kentish Town there are 4 trains per hour to St Albans City, 4 trains per hour to Sutton, 2 via Mitcham Junction and 2 via Wimbledon. There's now next train on platform 1 is going to be the 2222 to Herne Hill, platform 2 2223 to Bedford via Luton Airport Parkway. Now let's go back to the tube station. So I can go home. The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 2. Sat 700 117 with a service to Bedford. The announcements don't play very frequently. Next East Midlands Railway service to pass through here will be, I think it will be a Class 360 to Corby. No e-scooters allowed. Onward travel information. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 steps. Let's do the staircase again, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 90, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's 117, not 121. The sign at the top is more accurate than this one down here.
This is a security announcement. Customers are requested to keep their possessions with them at all times. When leaving this station or when leaving your train, please ensure that you take everything with you. Any unattended bag or other item of luggage will be removed and may be destroyed. Thank you.
Now let's go onto the platform. We wait forward. It's now approaching. Gonna end the video here now.